Hi Tekla users, welcome to Tekla Tool and Tips video. In this video, we will learn how we can rotate the beam with two different methods. We can rotate a beam in XY plane or from the XY plane. So in first method, we will do the things in manual way, and in second method, we will do the same thing in speedy way. Okay, so let's start with the manual. So go to the steel, select the beam and pick first point and give the dimension, like I want to give 10 feet. Now I want to rotate this, so right click and move spatial, rotate. Here pick origin point for rotation, so I will pick the start point and I want to rotate it at 30 degrees. So go to the move, okay, and go to the edit, measure and measure the angle. It is at 30 degrees. Okay, this is how we are moving the beam in XY plane. Now I want to rotate this beam in XZ plane, or we can say from the XY plane. Okay, so what I will do, Control Z, go to the elevation view at the grid A and I want to rotate this beam at 30 degrees. Because it's XZ plane, we will go to the view, work plane, parallel to view plane. I will select and select on the empty plane. So it will be converted in XY plane. Suppose I want to rotate it at the 45-degree angle. So I will right click and go to the move spatial. Again I will go to the rotation. Will select the origin point as it is asking. So I will select it and 45 degree I will place and move. Again I will cross check. So this is how you can rotate your beam in XZ plane. So come on the second method, in which all the activities I can do in the single step. So go to the 3D view where I will do the same setting. XY plane I will set. I will delete it. Here I will go to the steel, select beam and select the position. I will press R on my keyboard to get this window. I will give the length of this beam 10 feet and place the less than symbol, and after that I will give the angle on the XY plane. I will give the angle to rotate the beam in XY plane. So I want to rotate it at 45 degrees and I want to rotate it at XZ at 0 degree angle and click OK. So I will check its angle, it's 45, and also check the length 10. Okay, in this method the beam is rotated in XY plane, and second example I will rotate the beam in XZ plane, or we can say from the XY plane. So I will go to the steel, select the beam, first point I will select, press R on my keyboard. I will give the length of the beam, then place the lesser than angle 0 I will give in XY plane angle, and again I will place the lesser than symbol and I will give the 30 degree on the XZ plane. Okay, see, Control P and go to the elevation view at 8. See, just cross check and check the angle. It's almost 30 degrees. So this method can save you a lot of time. It's up to you which method you want to use in your workplace. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.